Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I will be teaching you how to set up your Samsung Galaxy A17 for the first time. First, you need to press and hold the right side button until the phone's screen turns on. With the screen on, you will press this button to start the setup process. Choose a language and click on Next. Check this last option at the bottom and click on Next. Now here you will click on this last button and it will ask you to connect to a Wi-Fi network. If you don't have internet to set up the phone, you will click on this option to skip this step. If this option doesn't appear, it means you performed a hard reset through recovery mode and this option won't be available. So you'll need to connect to a Wi-Fi network or insert a SIM card with internet into your phone to set it up with internet, okay? By connecting to a Wi-Fi network or inserting a SIM card with internet, you will click on Next down here. In my case, it already clicked automatically. Now we can patiently wait for about 1 to 5 full minutes. Typically this particular screen usually takes approximately 2 minutes to completely load. So let's just patiently wait for that to finish. Now right here you will then proceed to click on this specific option, okay? Now it will ask you to sign in with a Google account. For those who don't know, your Google account is the same as your Gmail email account, okay? If you have a Gmail email, you can sign in with it here. If you don't have one, that's not a problem. You will click on this option to skip and then click here again to skip, okay? Scroll down to the end and accept the options, okay? Now here, you will scroll down and choose an internet browser. Not a browser, sorry. No browser? Well, let's choose an option. I'll be choosing Google. We'll click on next. Now here, I'll skip this step so the video doesn't get too long. Yeah, here on the channel there are videos on how to set a password on your phone. I'm going to remove this option and I'll choose the apps I want to have installed on my phone. I'll be installing the calculator, Samsung's internet browser, Samsung members which I use, Notepad, voice recorder and also Spotify. I'm going to click on OK. At this part you'll click on these letters down here if you don't have a Samsung account. Then click here again, scroll all the way down and click here to skip, okay? We're going to skip this step. Now you click on this option and here you choose either light mode or dark mode. Click on next. Here then you'll click on next again. We're going to click on finish setup, okay? If this appears for you, you can click up here and click to skip. Yeah, up here to skip this step. Okay, now here we finish the setup. To download apps, you'll go into the Play Store, but here you need a Google account, as I explained earlier. On YouTube, there are several videos on how to create a Google account, so that's the video. I hope I was able to help. If I helped, don't forget to like, leave your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.